Oosterweel Connection in Antwerp is one of those grand infrastructure projects that seems to combine sheer scale with a dash of engineering flair. Or perhaps just the stubbornness of people determined to dig their way through anything. Of course, we're talking tunnels, almost 10 kilometers of them. We have the enormous Oosterweel Junction that connects the canal tunnels with our ambitious Scheldt Tunnel. The Scheldt Tunnel connects the left and right banks of the Scheldt River.
Die tunnel die bestaat uit 8 elementen die 10 meter hoog, 42 meter breed, 160 meter lang zijn.
The tunnel is so gigantic that there was no room to build it in Antwerp. That is why we did it in Zeebrugge. 8 over 60,000-ton tunnel elements travel from Zeebrugge to Antwerp, floating steadily across the North Sea towards their final destination. Once in Antwerp, each element is immersed into the Scheldt and positioned with millimeter precision.
Ik sta hier in de enorme bouwput van het Oosterweel knooppunt. De schakel tussen de Scheldetunnel en de kanaaltunnels.
Digging is our middle name. One of the biggest construction sites in our tiny country is a gigantic pit with a circumference of 3 kilometers. Yes, you heard me right. 3 kilometers. The depth of this pit is 29 meters. Now, that's a 9-floor apartment building deep into the ground. To increase work efficiency, the construction pit is divided in 7 parts. The braiding of the tunnel tubes gives it its specific form. This impressive puzzle looks as ingenious as a paperclip. And that's why they call it, in common Antwerp parlance, the paperclip. Engineering. It's a hobby. It's a lifestyle. It's a gift that keeps on giving. With the canal tunnels, Belgian engineers are proving once again what they are capable of. An exceptional technical feat. 4 stacked tunnels built in an active and narrow channel.
28 meter diep. Dat is dan de bodem van de tunnel. En daarna gaan we de tunnel opbouwen.
The canal tunnels are built with the use of dam walls to hold back the water of the Albert Canal. The area between the walls is filled with sand, after which a trench is dug out. In this trench, the concrete tunnels are built. And during all these works, no raw materials are wasted.
Alle grond die hier wordt uitgegraven, die wordt volledig hergebruikt binnen de Oosterweel-project.
De 3 werven samen maken de ring van Antwerpen rond.
These are the most magical words in Antwerp. De ring is rond, is rond, is rond. For so many people, the consequences will be nothing less than spectacular. Better fresh air, less traffic jams, and so many hours gained. Hours that can be spent on the fine things of life, outside the tunnel.